Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Let's continue our chapter Ivan tries an O level, and the mystery of the chapter already have been resolved. How Ivan got success to escape from the prison cell, who helped him out, and what kind of plan he has made inside the prison cell. Now, two clever men sitting in front of each other. One of the side Ivan and the other side the governor. Governor almost resolved all the mystery about the escape of Ivan, but having some questions that's still doubtful. One of the question was that how he arranged the blood inside the prison cell, because none of them, neither McCleary nor Ivan, was injured. How they arranged the false blood inside the prison cell? Ivan very cleverly replied that the rubber ring used for helping the sitting for McCleary because of the problem of pile. Actually, it was not true. Mr. McCleary doesn't have any problem like pile. The rubber ring has been used to carry the blood, the false blood, from the outside area to inside the prison cell. Students, let's continue the chapter, page 90 and very first line. Must have been a tricky job sticking a couple of pins. Now, pins, the blood drops. You have got it wrong, sir. No problem about that. No, now. It's the clotting, you see. That's the big trouble. We got the blood easy enough. Pig's blood, it was from the slaughterhouse in Kiddington. But to stop it clotting, you have to mix your actual blood. Ivan took a breath with 1/10 of its own volume of 3.8% the tritium and the citrate. Didn't know that, did you, sir? Ivan, yes, of course, he is very clever, because the blood he has been used to prove that someone has got injured inside the prison cell. It was the blood of a pig having mixed with some original blood and 3.8% of the trisodium citrate. The governor shook his head in a token of reluctant admiration. We learn something new every day. They tell me, come on, my lad. Ivan made no show of resistance, and side by side the two men walked slowly down the stair. Now the mystery has been resolved. The men who came inside the prison cell, being the invigilator of Ivan, exams of German O level, he was not the same man. He was one of the friend of Ivan who really helped him to escape from the prison cell. Governor very smartly who resolved all the mystery, and now again he was successful to catch the Ivan, and now they both are going to the prison cell again. Ivan, without any resistance, he is also going with Mr. Governor. I have got lots of friends though. Okay, Ivan, you tell me, how did you manage to plan all this business? You have had no visitor, I have seen to that. You have had no letters. I have got lots of friends though. What's the, suppose the mean? Me German teacher for a start. You mean the German teacher who came to the prison cell for teaching Ivan the German O level language. Actually, he was one of the friend of Ivan. He was from the technical college. Was he? Ivan was almost enjoying it all now. Why he was enjoying? Because of course very easily he made fool of Mr. Governor. Ever check up on him, sir? Good Almighty, there's far more going on than I. It means you are really very far from my expectations. Always will be, sir. Everything ready? Asked the governor as they stood by the reception desk. The van's out, the front, sir, said the pretty blunt receptionist. Ivan winked at her. Ivan winked at her, it means Ivan he is feeling very relaxed and doing some mischievous things. Why? How could be he so relaxed? Because he is again going to the same prison cell, and this time maybe he will find out there some more security, some more protection, the tight security for him. So he could never be able from the escape from that place. How could be he happy like this? Something is already done. A silent prison officer. Okay, the pretty blunt receptionist Ivan winkled at her and she winkled back at him. It almost made his day. A silent prison officer handcuffed the recaptured Ivan, and together the two men clambered awkwardly into the back seat of the prison van. Ivan again caught, and he already caught handcuffs. See you soon, Ivan. It was almost as if the governor were saying farewell to an old friend after a cocktail party. Governor is feeling very relaxed. Ivan, who is sitting inside the prison van and now again going to the prison cell, governor is feeling very relaxed and say goodbye to Ivan as he was saying goodbye or farewell one of his friend after a cocktail. Cheer up, sir. I was just wondering. I know your German pretty good, sir, but do you know any more of these modern languages? Not very well. Why? Ivan settled himself comfortably on the back seat and grinned happily. Nothing really. I just appealed to the notice that you have got some O-level Italian classes and coming up next September. That's all. Perhaps you won't be with us next September, Ivan. James Roderick Ivan appeared to ponder the governor's word deeply. No, perhaps I won't, he said. As the prison van turned right from the Chipping Norton on the Oxford Road, here two silent prison officer unlocked the handcuffs and leaned forward towards the driver. For Christ's sake, get a move on. It won't take them long to find out. Where do you suggest we make for? Asked the driver in a broad Scott accent. What about Newbury? Suggested Ivan. Actually, the van that was supposed to be the prison van, and the officer supposed to be the prison officer, they were not so as they were pretended to be. They were all the friends of Ivan who arranged all things, each and everything just to escape him from the prison cell. And Ivan very cleverly escaped from the prison, and once again he made fool of the governor. Students, we have completed our chapter and now it's time for questions. Today I will make you learn some important questions. One of the, what kind of person was Ivan? One of the question was that, what kind of person was Ivan? So what do you think, student? What kind of person was he? Ivan was a kleptomaniac and a master planner who had broken jail thrice. He was very sociable and kept intimate contacts and at the right quarters. In the words of governor, he was a pleasant sort of chap with no record of violence. Question number 2, how does Ivan escape from the jail or the prison? You know very well how he planned everything, how he escaped from the jail. Ivan gets his invigilator, Mr. McCleary, replaced by a fake one with the help of his accomplice outside the jail. After the exam, he diverts the attention of police by disguising himself as an injured McCleary. This confuses the authorities and they think that the fake McCleary was actually Ivan themselves, escort the injured McCleary out of the jail and thus indirectly helping Ivan to escape. This is all because of his extraordinary contact from the outside people. Next question. The story Ivan tries an O-level tells us the examination was to be held on June 8. Why do you think the governor talks to the secretary of examination board in early March itself? The governor was actually conscious of the fact that Ivan was a master planner. He was not sure of Ivan's real intention behind taking the exam. So he talked to the examination secretary to understand the process and take required precautionary measure in time, so that he could himself tackle the Ivan and don't make his plan successful at any rate. Student, we will continue some questions tomorrow. Until you have to revise the chapter and do these questions in your notebooks. Goodbye and thank you.